Hi, my name is Dr. Thomas Dooley, owner and dentist here at Cedar Village Dentistry. Over the years, we have always tried to make sure that we take great care of our patients. With a person's smile, it's the first thing people see, and so it plays a big factor in their confidence and their overall health and their ability to chew.
I was very, very scared in the beginning because I've been to so many dentists, and it's been a rough time. But it's been wonderful here. I would recommend this dentist to anyone. I have never had a bad experience yet, and I have had tons. So believe me when I say this is the best dentist there is. I mean, I wouldn't even leave my house because my teeth were so bad.
Walking to my mom's car, and like kind of pulling down the visor and looking and like just being in like shock and awe because I had like actual teeth in my mouth, like nice, beautiful teeth in my mouth when I walked out.
We are now able to deliver patients with implants that are actually stay in the mouth. It is what you call as teeth in a day, and so that is awesome. So we will take out all the teeth and we'll actually be able to give you a brand new smile that you're confident and able to chew pretty much whatever you want.
In terms of like the recovery, I would say it wasn't like bad. Like those first couple days you're really sore and you know, but it wasn't bad. Like it wasn't that bad at all, like honestly. Like after those first couple days, like the pain goes down, your face stops to swell, and you know, everything kind of returns to normal. And then I just remember like once all the swelling was gone, like after like a week or whatever, looking in the mirror and just being like, wait a minute, and kind of having to do a double take. It was just like, it blew my mind.
A very good experience. It's actually been life-changing. Everybody here was very nice to me and kind, and through the whole, they helped me through every step, and I will be returning here, and this will be my doctor or dentist for the rest of my life.
It's like life-changing, like it really is. Like I never thought
You look
that.
so much healthier.
Yeah.
I mean, you really do. I'm sure you got tons of compliments after the fact because just everything that's going on, like you're just not nearly as healthy as what you could be, and it just shows in your face, and you just don't even realize it because that's the new normal, and you've been living with it for a number of years, and then after it's just like, whoa.
Yeah. Well, it's the confidence like aspect of it too, because you go from like literally I would walk around and like I did not want to smile at all, and then now I'm like I'll be driving and like catch myself in the mirror and just kind of poke myself over and look, and it's like confidence does like wonders for you. So yeah, it's definitely the best thing that I've done for myself ever.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well,
Take a peek. So